in the coastal water, they can, the pipeline पूरा पानी इतना वेव रहेगा इसमें, trillion tons of water it is coming and going up, and then pipes can be disrupted. So I said that severe weather can also, severe climatic condition damages the infrastructure, but the severe weather is also creating energy crisis. This way energy crisis, and then at the same time we have seen Tajikistan how they are getting understood it. Overconsumption or cold winter is itself causes a demand of more energy and supply utna hi rahe, then what will happen? Energy crisis. The next point I said that over consumption. Next one I said industrial action. Union organized strike. जैसे अभी मैं बोल रहा था, if the port cities and then port में क्या हो गया, the working people go on a strike, then the supply of energy will get hit. So that could lead to the energy crisis. Union organized strike, government embargo, और किसी की वजह से government has also stopped. Maybe there's some reason the government has stopped. Maybe some plan government has stopped due to some their own reason. Embargo means stopped supplying. So I said that in this case also industrial action has been taken place against someone, and then it can lead to, I said that industrial actions may union organized strikes, that is in oil refinery sites, generally at the Mumbai के पास है, मुंबई हाई से वहाँ से निकाला जा रहा है, वहाँ पे स्ट्राइक्स हो जाए, then it will lead to the kind of industrial sector है नहीं है. And then government embargoes, and government, I said that due to some action under the given industries of related to oil producing, they can take an action against them and suddenly they will stop supply of it. So which are the sectors we have seen? Yes, tell me. Political events. In the political events we have seen, I said that regime changes, government changes, especially in the, we can see in Africa, yes, and monarch collapse in the Africa, regime changes can be anywhere, and then there is a great regime change, and then military occupation, understood? These are the three things which can political events. Another, I said that infrastructure will come aging, it is more vulnerable to collapse. Another, I said that attacks by terrorists on the oil fields and on the oil pipelines, that can lead to again the supply reduces, and then I said that shortage of it, and infrastructure damage from the severe weather, that is in a cyclone or tsunami can cause. And then we have seen also that is in a more winter cold, then the water will freeze in the dam. What will happen? Water will freeze, and then it can lead to the problem in producing electricity. And I said that overconsumption, cold winter also causes more demand, and when it is in a more demand, then automatically supply is same but demand increase, then is the supply and demand mismatch, imbalance, and that can lead to energy crisis. And then industrial action, union organized sectors they are doing, and then strikes, and then government embargoes. What kind of social effects can be there? So the society can feel blackouts. Society can feel blackouts or not. अंधेरे में रहना पड़ जाएगा. And the new technology, I said that new technology and energy efficient measures become desirable for consumers seeking decreased transportation cost. तो मुझे यदि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट को डिक्रीज करना है, डिक्रीज ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, मुझे कैसा चाहिए, टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे चाहिए, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी. एंड व्हाट इज द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी? यस, आज के डेट में कैसी टेक्नोलॉजी आ रही है? इट इज रनिंग ऑन द विच वन? आई सेड दैट बैटरी. इट इज रनिंग ऑन द व्हाट? हाइब्रिड. मीन्स द कार्स एंड द व्हीकल्स आर रनिंग ऑन द, आई सेड दैट buses are running on the petrol as well as, I said that, gases. Then I said that they are running on the gases as well as electricity. This is the way electric motors and all. It is in hybrid cars, hybrid motors. Understood? The combination of two or more, that is in a kind of, I said that, technological improvement can lead to the what is this kind of uses. I'll come on to it. So social effect क्या हो रहा है? What is the social effect of energy crisis? First, what is the first point social effect में? Blackout. Regularly they will face rolling blackout. Regularly they लिख लेंगे. First they are facing what? Social effects में rolling blackouts. What they are facing? Rolling blackouts. Understood? लेकिन ये किसका एक और इफेक्ट होगा? एक तो रोलिंग ब्लैकआउट्स, दैट इज ओके, लेकिन इससे क्या हो जाएगा? द पीपल विल कम टू नो कि आई शुड नॉट व्हाट वेस्ट एनर्जी. द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, यस, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी एंड एफिशिएंट यूज ऑफ एनर्जी will prevail in the society. Yes, will come into the society. Demand, बोलते हैं ना कि demand ही it gives an what is a birth of new technology. So I said that there is I said the new technology and energy efficient approach will come into the society. लोग AC को कम यूज करेंगे. The people will use more of what? LED bulbs, CFL bulbs. Yes, those who consume less energy. और आज के डेट में देख रहे हैं कि it is everywhere in the India, it is running like this. So new technology and energy efficiency, this is the way we can conserve the energy. This is the way we can conserve the energy. Do you know that? ठंडे में हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? ठंड में in our houses become very what is cold. So we have to, do you know that how much energy released? ये भी टेक्नोलॉजी है. सरफेस से जो गर्मी निकलती है वो कितनी निकलती है? From the roof floor, it is 30%. From the wall, energy reflected back into the atmosphere, that is 30%. From the roof, 25%. Window, 5 to 10%. तो हमें विंडो को पहले क्या करना चाहिए? डबल वॉल्ड मुझे बनाना चाहिए. So in the winter, double walled in between air, so that the heat cannot transfer first. Understood? We should try to have a paint on the wall so that it can release less heat in the winter. We should try to make such kind of what is flooring where the reducing less. तो इससे हमें क्या हो जाएगा? If I am painting and making a paint, particular kind of paint on the wall and then roof, then the energy efficient यहाँ से कितना जा रहा है? 35%. यहाँ से कितना? 25%, 60% we have saved, and at the same time from the window 10% I saved. And particular kind of tiling that will save our what is around 25%. Understood? Sorry, 30%. So this way we are able to save 100%. So energy in the instead of using heater in the winter, we can be able to make our room even what is warm. Understood? It depends upon the how do the technology को हम लोग best use कर रहे हैं. तो particular type of painting, particular type of window glass with the air in between, and then particular type of tiling on the floor, it will conserve our energy. Otherwise it will go into the atmosphere. So we have to conserve and less use of heat, then again it is an energy. So new technology and energy efficient society will become, this is the social impact. One side is in a rolling blackout, and another I said that society is becoming aware in the form of new technology, use of new technology and energy efficient, and they try to reduce their transportation cost. तो लोग आजकल के देख रहे हैं, दिल्ली में क्या दिख रहा है? एवरीवेयर, यदि आप देखेंगे बड़े बड़े में लिखा रहता है यूज कारपूल, यूज स्लोली एंड स्लोली. आज नहीं तो 2, 4, 5 साल के बाद पीपल विल लर्न. सडनली आप यू कांट टीच. यस, या तो सभी जगह लोग आपस में बैठ के डिस्कस करें. यस, वी शुड पार्टिसिपेट इन द सोसाइटी. चलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे रहते हैं, हमारे को एंड आई हैव टू गो टू दिस साइड, आई हैव टू गो टू दिस साइड. सोसाइटी एक दिन बैठी, लोगों ने लिस्ट निकाला मुझे इधर जाना है, एंड उसके बाद डिस्कशन से ये निकला, अच्छा दिस इज ए लॉजिकल इन्फ्लुएंस, इम्यूनिटीज प्रॉब्लम ऐसे सोल्व किया जाता है. एंड देन उन्होंने डिसाइड किया विल डू द कारपूल. तो लोग 4 गाड़ी में जाते थे, नाउ दे विल 4 पीपल विल गो इन one car. Yes, it means we are saving energy. We are saving energy. So this is the way that we can be able to use carpool and all. We can save the energy. It will make the what is, and I said that society will become aware. This is, I said, that social effect. What is the social effect? First, rolling blackouts. Second, good effect, use of new technology and making the what is an use of efficient use of energy. Next, it is an economic effects. Industrialized nation which is dependent on oil would have an adverse effect on the economies. Yes or not? जो country completely based on oil and all and energy supply, there will be adverse impact. Yes, and our tourism development, and then that they will be also get disrupted. Yes or no? Tourism industry, development aspect in different areas, not only in coastal areas, everywhere. Clear? Is it okay? और यदि आपके घर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं आएगा तो आप क्या करोगे? एंड यू आर लिविंग इन द कोल्डर रीजन, दिन में आप बाहर रहोगे, रात में पता नहीं क्या करोगे। आप क्या करोगे? घर बाहर बना लोगे आप। दिस इज द कंडीशन। दिख रहा है, घर सारा चीज बाहर है, एवरीथिंग इज आउटसाइड। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी energy crisis. We have seen it is in your notes.